everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caro, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. So today I want to show you guys how I made this beautiful twist wig. I love the length, I love how it looks, and anybody can do it. So let's get right into the video and I'll show you how I did this. Okay, so I bought a lace, an empty lace without hair, and what I did is I made markings on it just to show me where I would crochet the hair onto the lace. It's kind of a guide to help me so that I don't just randomly put hair anywhere, and I really wanted it to look as natural as possible, like how you would part your hair on your head, on your scalp, the way the patterns would look for twists. That's the look I was going for. So as you can see, I'm just making markings, making sure I fill it up, and I tried to make the lines as straight as I could, but clearly I failed at that. So I did one side, I'm gonna show you guys on the other side how I achieved that look. So I grabbed my hook, a very small hook. I got this hook in Kamwala at a tailoring shop where they sold like material and stuff. It was very cheap, just 5 kwacha. So what I do is I put the hook in and I get about 2 to 3, at the most 4 strands of hair, and I just pull that through and I just tie it. I make 1 knot. I did not make 3 or 4 knots. I only used 1 knot. So you see me do this for quite some time until I fill up that circle, that marking I made earlier, and I'm just gonna keep doing that and doing that and doing that until I fill it up. So now that I'm done filling it up, this is what it should look like. It will look something like that. And you see how the gaps are there? That makes it just look like a scalp. That's what I love. And what I'm gonna do now is split it into 2, and I'm just gonna twist the hair. I am so sorry for the shaking of the camera. Once I sped up the footage, it gives this shaking effect. I really apologize for that. And so I just twist the hair, and I did that to the rest of the front part. Then I'll be back to show you how I did the back of the head. Okay, so now we're at the back, and what I just do is I just crochet the hair. It was just as simple as that. I don't know how else I can explain it. Just the way I would normally crochet hair. I just put it through. I put 1/2 of the hair through so that it looks like that, and then I twisted the hair, and that is all I did, guys, to achieve this look. I will talk about spacing. I suggest that you make them really close together at the crown, the top of the head, at the crown of the head. I suggest that you make them really close together, and then maybe spread them out at the back, just to give you that volume, and so that it hides all the gaps on the head. And then what you also want to do is make sure that you don't put too much hair into it, because it will get heavy. So avoid that, especially when you're working with some synthetic hair like the Doremi that I use. It kind of became a little heavy, so yeah, I had to avoid that. And this is the end look, guys. Thank you so much if you've reached this far in the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching.